Yo, what up YouTube, it's your boy AM coming to you with another unboxing video. This time we have the AirPods 2 right here. I'll be unboxing this bad boy for you in just a second. Hope you like it. We are back with our unboxing video. These are the AirPods 2. Right here is the top of the box. AirPods with a wireless charging case. Heck yeah. There's the back of the box. The only difference between the other AirPods and these new ones is that there's a little dot here to show you that it's being charged. We have the instructions here on the bottom. Here we have the serial code and all this other stuff, and then it makes mention of the Air Power mat. Rest in peace, no longer available. So that's pretty much all sides of the box. This is the AirPod 2. So what we have here is our unboxing knife. We're gonna cut through all of the sticky stuff and get into it. Cool. I had the very first AirPods 1 and I loved them so much. It's like owning the future, and I was excited for the AirPods 2, especially with the new wireless case, because this bad boy is super cool because you just put on a little wireless charging mat and it starts charging up. Okay, top is open. Apple products always look amazing. Look at that. Woo! Dope. Where we have designed by Apple in California. Open this up. What we have here is the simple instruction book telling you how to connect your AirPods to your device. Cool. More instructions. We don't read that on this channel. We're gamers. We always fly by the seat of our pants. So let's pull this out. So we got the little pill capsule here. It's all wrapped up in this nice little plastic thingy to protect it. So let's just peel it off. All the way around. Oh, I guess it doesn't come off all the way around. Oh, it slips out like underwear. Look at that. Little underwear right there. The legs come out that way. Just kidding. So that's the box. Little tab here. I guess you just pull on that and then it comes out and you have a charging cable. But these are wireless, so we don't need to have the charging cable. All we have to do is put it on our charging mat and then go. Okay, that's basically it. There we go. We have the AirPods, little button on the back. You hit that button and that will sync with your phone. Look, there's green or orange letting you know that's ready to pair. The case this time is a lot smoother and shinier. The great thing about these AirPods though is that this case is so tiny, and so you can put it in your pocket. It doesn't feel like anything. It just feels like a little bit of Tic Tacs in your pocket, so you can actually like walk around all day with it. I've seen other cases and those things are like humongous. They're so big and require you to have a bag, but these things are awesome. Put it in your pocket and you're ready to go. And if you have that little, you have jeans and you have that little fifth pocket, you can slide it right in there perfectly and it stays put all day. That's amazing. So let's just check out the AirPods individually. So we're popping this out and it still retains the same design as the Gen 1 AirPods. It's pretty cool. Pretty dope. Ooh, it kind of has a weird feel to it. So let me get my phone and I'll show you how easy it is to pair to your phone. I got my phone right here. And so we're gonna pair this sucker up as such. See that? It just pops up on screen. Connect. So we're connecting the AirPods to your phone and it's ready to go. And that's how you do with like all your Bluetooth devices. So if you want to connect it to an iPad, you just have to connect it and then you can switch in between the two. And it recognizes what you want to listen to just based on like you tapping on it. So it's pretty sweet. And if you go here, it will automatically present it in the battery section of your phone. So that's pretty sweet. Look at that. That's so cool. It's just easy to pair, easy to connect. It's just wonderful. It's like the future. And so a lot of times with wireless headphones, you lose connection and you have to pair them like all the time. And if you do through multiple devices, it becomes really clunky and cumbersome. AirPods 2 is amazing in that respect. That all you gotta do is just open it up and it connects and it pairs. See that? It was just like a miracle. Cool. So this is the AirPods 2, and it's basically the same as the AirPods 1, except it has a better chip inside of it. And I know a lot of people get mad at the design, the way it looks, but yeah, you could get a better looking headphone or earphone, I guess, than these things. But what makes these things unique is that the pairing and the simplicity of the design and how fast it connects makes this wonderful. This is like probably one of my favorite techs in a long time, and I'm a believer that the future is wireless, definitely. And some people get mad because these AirPods, the audio quality is not as good as you would get with other headphones, but most of the time it sounds pretty good. It sounds decent. It has a long battery life. Like you can listen to like 4 hours of music. You can actually go pretty far from like your phone and still listen to music. I have used it where I went like 35 meters away from the device and be able to listen to music crystal clear. Never had any troubles. I would leave my phone in one room and go through multiple rooms and it'd still be playing. And so that's really cool. People also say that like, I want wired headphones on my phones, but after you use this, you'll never want to go back to a wired headphone ever. And then they're like, well, what about quality music? Well, quality music, you have to get quality audio for it before you even start listening to quality music, and that is like lossless or a WAV file, something that has like a lot of bits attached to it. And if you're just listening to like Spotify or Apple Music, this will suffice. I don't care what anybody else says. It's just like, yeah, I'm all about sound. If you're all about sound, you're not listening to Spotify, you're not listening to Apple Music. You have your own dedicated headphones, over the ear headphones, not a earphone like this. So what I'll do is I'll show you how it looks when it's charging up. So I'm back here at my gaming station. I have my RGB Bliss right here. I picked up an RGB wireless charger a couple weeks ago because I knew I was gonna get the new Apple AirPods 2 with a wireless charging case. So we're gonna check it out and see how it works. All you have to do is put it on the device and then it starts charging, and then when it's completely charged it turns green. So that is how it works. And with this RGB pad, how you know it's charging is that it starts changing different colors right there. So let's take that off, and then it just turns off because it's not charging anything. So right here we have the wireless case, and all you have to do is just slap that on there, and then it starts charging. Pretty neat, huh? I mean, it's not like a big deal, but it's really cool because it just simplifies a lot of things. I want a wireless charge everything in my house. I want my phone to have a wireless charger. I have it here at my gaming station, so I can put my phone there and have it charged. And it doesn't charge like super fast, but it charges, and so it's pretty cool. I dig it. We have the Apple AirPods, and it's been about 1 week since I've listened to them, and I love them a lot, and I'm gonna give my rating on them. And these bad boys are gonna be an 8.4. And the reason why I give it 8.4, not a 9 or a 10, is that one, the design is kind of funky looking as it sticks out of your ears, so you lose like a point for that. And then you also lose another point because it doesn't come in black, it just comes in white as such. So that is also kind of a misstep. I would love to have black earpods because black is cool as always. But because of the new wireless chip that's in it, we get 0.4 points added to it. And overall, if you buy these products, such as the AirPods 2 with a wireless case or with the normal charging case, you'll be 100% satisfied with it. I love them. I bought them again because I totally dig them. They're like one of my favorite earphones you can buy. So that is my review. If you like what you've seen, be sure to hit that, not hit it, just like tickle the like button. Let us know what's up in the comments, what other unboxings you want to see. And if you're not a member of the Day and Night Gang, you better hit that subscribe button because the Day and Night Gang goes 24 hours. Can't stop, won't stop. Peace.